Today I'm going to show you how to start a print-on-demand t-shirt business as a beginner. And we're going to start right now. What's up everyone, this is Refaat Abohassan, and this channel is all about online entrepreneurship, how to make money online and generating passive income. So if this is the first time for you on my channel, you guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, because I come up with videos like this every single week that teach you how to make money online. And today I'm going to talk to you about an easy way to make money online totally in passive income, you guys, especially if you like designing and getting creative, and that is selling t-shirt designs online or prints on demand. What's great about these, you guys, is that you create those designs once and then make money from each sale made on them. And by the way, you don't have to be a great graphic designer or anything like that. I'm certainly not, but you still can come up with great design ideas using the tools that I will show you in this video. And the way it goes, you guys, is that you will upload your designs to websites that I will show you in this video, and these websites will list your design the same way to any physical product and make it available for people to purchase. And when a purchase is made, it will be put on demand and then shipped to customers. And the best part about this, you guys, is that these websites will take care of all customer service for you guys, whether it's refund or return or exchange, and send you your profit. How great is that? All what you need to do is make your designs, upload, and get paid, while the rest of the customer service hustle is taken care of for you. In few moments, I will show you how to find cool t-shirt designs ideas, and I will show you tools that can help you to create your best design. I will show you also the websites to upload your designs to make sales, and the difference between the print-on-demand websites, because some of those websites give you more features than others, such as doing marketing for you. So you want to watch every minute of this video, guys, to not miss any of these points. So I will start with you guys by showing you the websites to go to upload your print-on-demand designs. But before we start talking about these websites, I just want to throw a tip for you here, guys. Try to do a lot of good designs. Don't worry, I will show you how to do this later in this video. So whether you create 50, 100 or 200 designs, make sure to list all of these in these websites that we're going to talk about, instead of putting some in each website. And by this way, you guys, you will increase your chances of getting sales. So let's jump into my computer and I will show you all about these websites, you guys. The first website is called Teesprint. This is a great place to start your print-on-demand business, you guys, since it's the first website that started the printing on demand online. What's good about this site, you guys, is that they do marketing for you, such as display ads, email campaigns, and retargeting campaigns, which will help you a lot to reach targeted people looking to buy t-shirts. The major disadvantage of this website is that they get a lot of listing here, which means there is a lot of competition, and this will reduce your chances of getting your designs seen and discovered. So to increase your chances of getting sales, you guys, if you decided to use Teesprint, is that you need to list a lot of designs, probably 100 or 200 designs even, to increase your chances of getting sales. The second website is Teechip, and this website is a bit smaller than a Teesprint, you guys, but it has a bigger profit margins, meaning that you can make more money on each t-shirt that you sell. But since it's a smaller site, you would not make as much sales as Teesprint. The third website is Redbubbles. This is one of my favorite print-on-demand websites because it is the biggest site in terms of traffic range and Google Trends, which means that it's a huge marketplace for print-on-demand customers. And there is a lot of people come here to buy print-on-demand items. What I like most about this website is that you can put your design on t-shirts and also any other item that you choose, whether it's t-shirts, cups, phone cases, stickers, blankets, pillows, accessories, you name it. And beside that, they have quick shipping service. But I think the biggest advantage of this website is that your items has a bigger chance of being found, which is a great advantage that you would look for. The fourth website is Merch by Amazon, which is a specific Amazon website to sell your design, similar to the previous websites that we talked about. In Merch by Amazon, they will put your design on Prime listing, which will allow people to compare your shirt to other shirts and print those that makes sales. Plus, it will allow you to earn monthly royalty on your sold items. The big advantage with Merch by Amazon is that you are leveraging high daily traffic Amazon receive to sell your designs, because millions of people from all over the world reach for Merch by Amazon to buy print-on-demand items, so you would have higher chances of making sales, you guys. So to apply, you have to request an invitation to get accepted, and the process basically will involve filling your information, which would include your business contact information, your bank account and the routing number, your social security number if you have, or other tax identification numbers. However, there are some disadvantages with Merch by Amazon. And the biggest disadvantage that I think that you may face is that they don't support payment to many countries around the world. In fact, you can't complete your account setup if you don't have a bank account in the countries that they support. The second disadvantage is that it can take some time to get accepted, maybe a week or two, which is considered fairly long. But once you are accepted, they will allow you to run 2 campaigns per day, and this would increase as you sell more and more shirts. So these are the 4 websites that I would recommend for you guys to start your print-on-demand business as a beginner. It's totally up to you to select what suits you most. I personally prefer Redbubble and Teesprint, because I think it's very important to have my listing seen by many people. However, I will still list my designs in all these websites, you guys. But if you want to explore more websites, there are other few websites that I will list in the description below for you to explore. Finding a good niche for your t-shirt design is something that you need to do before you decide on your design, you guys. The most important thing for your print-on-demand business is to create a lot of great designs, and that these great designs make sales, you guys. Because you can come up with great t-shirt designs but still can't make a lot of sales because basically there is no demands for them. Now you can maximize your sales by searching for niches that has a high demand. So what I'm going to show you now is how to search for good niches that make sales, you guys. And the aim here is to find those niches that do not have high competition or have no demands at all. And this is the importance, you guys, of deciding on the right niche before even starting creating your designs. So I will show you now a very useful tool that can help you to decide which niche to work your design around. This tool is called merchinformer.com. This tool is not a free tool to use, you guys. It will cost you $10 per month, but it's really worth it if you want to make this your business, you guys. However, they have a 3-day free trial for you to test this website. So you need to create an account before starting using this tool. So if we do that, we will find that there is a lot of features this website gives. There are some features on top here, and there is plenty here on the side. But what we are really interested is this option, competition checker. And the way this tool goes, you guys, is very simple. You just type in the keyword of the niche, and it will check all the print-on-demand items around that keyword that you typed, and provide you with the information that will help you to decide on using that niche. And this tool checks all the print-on-demand items in Merch by Amazon, which will give you a good general idea on how well this item will perform in these websites that we talked about. If it's a good niche in Merch by Amazon, it most likely will do well also on those websites. So in the marketplace here, you by default you would leave it as the US unless you are looking for a specific market in a specific country. So you will search here by typing a potential niche in the search bar. It can be a general keyword such as sport, party, anniversary, education, or it can be more specific such as mountain climbing, birthday, or graduation. Know that, you guys, it may take some time to find the niche that you want to spend time working on, because it won't be straightforward. It may not give you the right niche immediately, but remember, it's worth every minute that you spend, because you will make sure that you spend your time working on something that sells, you guys. So for the time being, let's write, for example, I will write quarantine as a potential niche, since it's a big thing around the world these days. And by the way, you guys, I hope that you're staying safe and sheltering in place. Let me know in the comments, where are you watching this video from, and what is the COVID-19 status in your country. So after clicking that, we'll give it some time to load. Okay, from the first look, you guys, I know this is a good niche to work on because it got a B score. So this checker will give you a scale from A to F. A being an excellent niche and F as not a good niche to use in your design. But that doesn't mean that you will not get any sales. It just means that it's not recommended, and better to spend your time with those keywords that works. So in this case, we get B, which means it's moderately good, which is, in my opinion, considered good to work on. So on the left here, it will also tell you other listing information. It gives us here the total products online and the products with BSR, which is bestseller ranking in Merch by Amazon. And by the way, this is a rank that's given to Amazon products based on the product order compared to other products in the same category. And usually these numbers go smaller if the score given by the checker is higher. And you can get more information if you do more niche searches. I definitely had more information in niche searches that I performed previously. It may provide information like how much time this niche appeared in titles, how much it appeared in features and in description. So I got a general idea on how competitive this niche is. And if we scroll below, you guys, you can see the best seller, the first bestseller, the second bestseller, the third, fourth, etc. Of the niche that we selected. It will provide you also with the estimated monthly sales that's made on that bestseller, along with the price they are selling for. So as you can see, you guys, you can have all the information that you need here to make a clear and effective decision for your designs. Also, these bestseller designs will give you inspiration for you to make your own. So you can have some ideas from these designs in your own designs. And that's why, you guys, I highly recommend that you consider this tool to choose the right niche. This way you know that you're spending your time working on the designs that will make some sales for you. Look, you guys, I'm not a naturally creative person. I need to see other things and get ideas flowing so that I can build my designs out of. So how can I come up with creative design ideas? Is there a way that you can come up or find cool ideas for my designs? I will show you here 3 websites where you can go, you guys, and have ideas on some creative and great designs. And these 3 websites are Etsy.com, Pinterest.com, and cafepress.com. So what you need to do, you guys, is to type the items in the search bar So let that be t-shirt, gym shirt, yoga shirt, etc., and see the results. What I like most in these websites is that some of those websites will give you a review on how many sales they produce, what is it selling for, what is really selling, and how frequent they make sales. And these are really powerful information that can help you so that you know, you guys, where you spend your time, which is the most valuable asset that you have. You can check the quotes or image designs and make your own out of it. Again, don't just copy those designs and claim them for yourself. Otherwise, you will go through a lot of copyright issues that you don't want to put yourself in, you guys. Instead, you can use those quotes and designs and make a twist on them, or build something on top of them and make it accustomed to you. There you go, guys. This is how you can start a print-on-demand t-shirt business as a beginner. Give it a try, and I would love to hear about your experience by sharing your experience in the comment below. And if you get value from this video, don't forget to like and share, because it really helped the video to reach more people. And again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you didn't, to get weekly teaching on how to make money online. This is Refaat Abohassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.